Hello everybody, and thank you for coming to science today. I apologize that I'm not here today. However, the recovery is taking a little bit longer than I'd hoped for. However, my plan is to be in on Tuesday. So, that being said, I'm going to have you using your green books here. Yes, you got it. Pulling a little bit of the Wilson from Home Improvement. But either way, more importantly, grab yourself a green book. You're going to be working on pages 254 to 258, I believe. Some of these words you have seen before, but I'm going to ask you to take a piece of white line paper, and if you come across a word in your reading that you have not defined in your journal, I'd ask that you define it on the white line paper. There's also a total of 4 questions, actually 5 questions, at the very end on page 258. I'd appreciate you answering those as well on the white line paper. After which point, the guest teacher has been asked to go and show you a video on cells, in particular cancer cells. That's going to be found on this DVD series right here. And in particular, you want to watch the one that is on cells and genetics, and you want to look at the one that's called cancer cells. It's in the video index. You'll find it, I'm sure. But I'd like you to watch this 6-minute video clip and write down any notes, 5 to 8 notes on the video on the cancer cells. Some of you have had health class will find a lot of this information relevant and also a bit repeated, but that's good for you. And then after you're done with that video, you have a choice. Either you can continue working on your C layer, that's C5 and C6. There should be some dialysis tubing in the middle of the table. There should be some maple syrup available for C5. And for those of you on C6, that's the cheek cell lab. You're going to find the slides and cover slips in the front of the room near the red food coloring dye. When you're done using the toothpick, the slide, and the slide cover, wash them in the back sinks, leave them on a paper towel to dry, and then make sure that the next class has supplies ready to go for them. Or you can continue working in your textbook on, page 261, and take that all the way to 264, I believe, 265. It'll be talking about photosynthesis, cellular respiration. Again, vocabulary words that are bolded in yellow you're responsible for, as well as the questions at the end of the section. If you are still done with that, and there's still more than 5 to 10 minutes left in class, I would appreciate it if the Darwin's Dangerous Idea DVD was watched a little bit. But if there's only about 5 to 10 minutes, I'm sure you guys can occupy yourself with either finishing up your C layer, finishing your textbook work, and or just getting ready for your next class. Hope all is well, and I'll see everybody on Tuesday. Take care. Bye-bye.